Thank you so much. We're going to switch gears right now and get to our other headlines of the day. First up, well-known and highly trafficked adult website Pornhub removed a majority of its content. Anything uploaded by unverified users was taken down as part of a series of changes following allegations that the site had videos of child abuse and non-consensual sexual acts. The changes took the number of videos on the website from 13.5 million all the way down to a little under 3 million. Going forward now, content creators must become verified using Pornhub's process that involves uploading a picture of themselves with their username. So just reading through this story off the top of my head, Holly, I'm assuming this is a good thing for the Pornhub website, right?
Absolutely. And it's a real victory for the victims of sex abuse. However, I don't think the work is done. So from a federal level and from a legislative level, it looks like Pornhub was inaccurately analyzing a statute and thinking that it had broad immunity in distributing these videos, many of which were depicting minors and rapes. And so it looks like they were interpreting that law incorrectly. So I'm glad that they've got that figured out now. And it looks like if we wanted to really curb the massive distribution of porn and videos that are non-consensual and are depicting child abuse, then one way to do that is to get to the online platforms and to lessen their immunity. And so really that's our job, and the legislature's job is to create the laws that no longer provide that protection. But Pornhub did go one step further, and it was in part based on an expose in the New York Times that was written very recently calling for the specific action. And so after they were called out in the New York Times, Pornhub changed its practice and eliminated, let's see, 10 million videos from its website. And I think one of the things that needs to happen for this process to go forward and no longer exploiting these underage victims is for Pornhub to create more moderators. What is it that Pornhub knows or should have known about those videos that were on its platform and that they were benefiting from financially? And that's a potential lawsuit as well. So if I were Pornhub management, I would be very, very concerned about the potential lawsuits, which is why I think they so quickly pulled down over 10 million videos from their website. That shows you the percentage of videos that were part of their platform that they knew or should have known were problematic.
Absolutely. And you mentioned the New York Times story that kind of broke all of this. That journalist was interviewed on CNN. Let's play a clip of